Soon we are going on a vacation. And if I don't fix this today, everything you see here will be gone in a week.
So today I'm building a fully automated irrigation system to water my entire garden while I'm gone. I need a system that waters everything perfectly without me being here. And if I mess this up, I come back to a dead garden.
So if you're building your own garden, stick around because you don't want to miss what's coming. Everything you see here, peppers, tomatoes and cucumbers, we started from seed. So don't miss out on this video to see how we did that.
And now they need consistent watering every single day, which is exactly what I won't be here to do. So here's the simplest system I could build to keep everything alive.
Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby John Doe, where today we're gonna focus on irrigation.
This is everything, and it's way simpler than it looks. You don't need a complicated irrigation system to automate your garden. This DIY automated irrigation system uses a tap splitter, hoses, connectors and a timer. Perfect for watering tomatoes, peppers, raised beds and pots automatically. But one wrong connection and the whole system fails. I will leave a link in the description so you can check out this setup yourself.
In our previous video, I showed you how to transplant your seedlings without killing them. And at the end of the season, you're gonna have a full series from seed to harvest. And after that, we're gonna cook something with them.
First, I'll show you some plumbing. This lets me split the water into two lines, manual and automatic. If this leaks, nothing else matters. Always check every fitting. Because we need to get water to every single plant. This way I can still use my garden hose. Without having to adjust the whole system. I'm running hoses to every bed, every pot and every corner of the garden. Kinks reduce pressure fast, keep your lines smooth. But this is where it actually becomes an irrigation system. These connectors split water exactly where I need it. This is how we control where every drop goes. This part decides if your plants thrive or not. And now for the most important part. This turns it into a fully automated irrigation system. You can set watering schedules, duration and frequency. Perfect for consistent watering of tomatoes, peppers and container plants. But if I set this wrong, I either drown everything or it all dries out. Moment of truth. That's exactly what I needed. Now I can actually leave without worrying. This automated watering system means consistent moisture, healthier plants and zero stress while I'm away. This might be the best upgrade I've made so far.
My garden does not depend on me being here anymore. So we can go on vacation and everything here keeps growing. This solves one of the biggest problems in gardening. And now no stress, no asking the neighbors and no guessing. And next I'm focusing on getting the biggest harvest possible. If you want to see what this system actually produces, follow along because we're just getting started. Make sure you subscribe to Hobby John Doe because this channel is about building a garden that actually works.